Sudha, you want me to solve problem number 3? Okay. Yeah. So in problem number 3, what is happening? You have to combine the employees and feedback data frames into a single data frame. Each row in the combined data frame should include employee details and feedback details. Now, what you have to do, you have to ensure that the combined data frame uses the employee ID column as the key for merging and includes all the columns for both the data. So, what is going to happen over here? What is going to happen over here? You are just going to use what? Merge function and inner, because it is given what? Ensure the combined data frame uses the employee ID column as the key on employee ID, and merging include all the columns from both the data frames. Including all the columns from both the data frames. That means the thing which is common, that is why see inner. The thing which is common in both the data frames that we wanted and that we have got. Okay, Siddharth, clear?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yes, because my result is different in that one. That's why I asked.
I guess you have used another one. That's not an issue.
I put as an outer.
Okay, that also works. Inner, outer, both will work here.
Yeah,
because
that is
outer
same.
only
Yeah.
you will get everything, na?
Yeah,
Both will
result
work.
is same, ma'am. Result is same. Yeah.
Yeah, that is okay. Okay, so any other doubts, anyone? Here comes your customer segmentation analysis for a retail company and your post-quiz. But first of all, we will do the problem statement. So guys, this time the problem statement says, scenario is you're a data analyst at a retail company and your task is to analyze the customer and the sales data to identify high value transactions, top selling products, and segment customers based on their spending patterns. Now the goal is to provide the actionable insights to improve the customer targeting, retention strategies, and sales performance. Now, for that, I am having two data sets. I am having customer.csv and sales.xls. So first, let's download both of them. Customer. It got downloaded. Close this. Sales.xlsx. Go to file. Download. XLSX format only. Got downloaded. Both of them. Now, close this. So, this is the first one. Now, so this one, which we are going to do today, this is going to be in step-by-step part. So step number 1, what we have to do? We have to read the customer and sales data. So description is given over here for both the data. That customer data includes the customer details such as customer ID, customer name, customer email, age, and location. And sales data contains the transactional data such as order ID, product ID, name, category, sales amount, and the order date. So this is what both the data sets contain. So what we have to do, we have to import the data set. So let it get connected to the runtime. Let's get both of them over there, and then we will just load them in the file. Just with the help of shift, I'm taking both of them together. Okay, both of them are here now. Let me close this. Now, for that, I have to write down the code. Give me a second, huh? So both of my data sets are loaded over there in my notebook. So this is my step number 1. Any doubts, any issues in step number 1? Any doubts, any issues in step number 1? Okay, so let's do step number 2 now. So in step number 2, what you have to do, you have to merge the data sets on customer ID. Combine the both of them. So now just put customer ID. So here it is not written, but how you have to do. So if I will not put how to do the merge part. So by default, what kind of merge it will do? By default, what kind of merge it will do? Can anyone let me know?
It will only take the common part.
Yes. It will do by default inner. By default, it will do inner. Any doubts in the first 2 steps? Now for the step number 3, guys, you have to filter for the high value transactions. that is sales amount is greater than 100. So here you have to filter the merge data set to focus only on the transactions where the sales amount exceeds 100. To prioritize the analysis on significant transactions that contribute more to the revenue. So that is also easy, right? What you have to do? High value sales DF, merge DF. Inside that also take the merge DF and just take the sales amount greater than 100. You will get your answer. Any doubt in step number 3? Now in step number 4, sort high value transaction by sales amount. Now sort the filter data set in the descending order of sales amount to identify the top selling products and high value transactions to determine which products or customers contribute the most to the revenue. So here now what will you do? What will you do here? You will sort the values. You will use the sort values function, but how will you sort it? With the help of sales amount, which is given over here. And you want it in the descending order, so ascending will be false. So ascending will be false. Clear, guys? Segmentation logic to create the customer segment, to categorize the customers for better targeting and strategy formulation. Description is create a new column customer segment based on the sales amount. High value of sales amount is greater than is equals to 200. Medium value of sales amount is between 100 to 100 and low value if sales amount is less than 100. So here what we are going to do now, we will create a user defined function named as segment customer sales. If sales is greater than is equals to 200, greater than is equals to 100 and else part for the high, medium and low value. And at the end, what we will do, we will just add the column of the customer segment in the merge DF. And on that, I will just apply that function and I will get my answer. And I will get my answer as medium value, high value, and low value in the form of a new column. Clear, guys? Final part. Now you have to just save it. Give me a second now. Now you just have to save your data frame to an Excel file. How you will do that? How you will do that? With the help of two Excel function. With the help of two Excel function. I'm giving it the name as customer segmentation.xlsx. Index is equals to false. If I will just do it, I will see it here. Now I can just download it. Here you guys will be able to see the download part. Let me just open this and I will show you guys the result. Okay, are you guys able to see my screen? Are you guys able to see my screen, the Excel sheet in front of you guys? Guys, please let me know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So guys, this is your answer. This is how your answer looks like. Now let me just stop sharing this one and let me just open the one we were working on. And this was the challenge of our today's week. Any doubts in the whole challenge now, anyone? Yes.
Ma'am, in the step number 2, we use the on equal to, but we don't have to use how, ma'am.
So that is what I told now. By default, what will happen? Because there it is not mentioned that how you want the data. So just use the by default one in a, don't put, okay?